I don't think there's anything in there. Actually, like a vape. No. Sir, can I have my vape one last time?
Unfortunately not.
Ah!
Once the cups go
okay,
on,
like...
once the cups go.
It's 3 a.m. in Tampa. Officer John Baker spots a Chevrolet Camaro running dark. No headlights, blowing stop signs. But what starts as a routine stop for a lighting violation quickly spirals into a tangle of bad excuses, messy relationship drama, and a field sobriety test that goes south. Fast.
Good evening. How are you doing, ma'am?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. I'm Officer Baker with the Tampa Police Department. The reason why I'm stopping you is you're driving around with no headlights.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
I thought they were automatic. I'm sorry. I just got this car like less than a year ago.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration, and insurance?
I do, yes.
Where are you guys coming from tonight?
I was working an event in Ybor. So I was driving my boyfriend home.
Okay. What event?
It was a desire event behind Bradley's.
Oh, okay. All right, Ms. Brown, would you mind just stepping out and just talk to me real quick?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Did it take a signal 4? No injury at 6805 Avenue. 6805 Avenue.
Oh, you go ahead and close your door. That way it doesn't get knocked off. These Camaro doors are expensive.
They are.
We're just going to step right over here.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so you said you were working an event at Bradley's, you said, or behind Bradley's?
Yes, it was, so like it's not a club event, but they like throw like events like maybe once a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I have not.
No? Nothing at all?
Nothing at all.
Okay. Because in the state of Florida, it's not illegal to drink and drive. It's illegal to drink and drive at the point of impairment.
Yes.
Okay. So the reason why I'm asking is just because... I mean, if he wants to leave, he can leave. Yeah, sure.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. We're just talking. So, all right. The reason why I had you step out is I can smell alcohol coming from your breath.
Okay.
Okay? So I'd like you to do some field sobriety exercises. Would you be willing to do those?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. All right, give me just a second. I'm going to shut the front lights off on my car real quick, just so they don't bother you.
Sure.
And if you want, you can take your hat off and hand it to my partner. She'll throw it in your car for you. Can you just toss that back in the car for me? If you could, just wait right over here, Miss Brown. Just right over there on that sidewalk. All right, Miss Brown.
Wait until I'm done. Can you just wait till I'm sorry.
All right.
I don't know where
We can wait over here. Okay.
I don't know why he's freaking out.
I don't either. All right. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
No.
Do you take any medications?
No.
No? Okay. See a doctor for anything? Any issues like broken knees, broken ankles?
Nothing.
Nothing like that?
Nothing of that
Okay.
sort.
What I'm going to have you do is just turn and face me. If you
Okay,
could
yeah.
just stand right on my light. Turn and face me. Okay. All I want you to do is pay attention to my red light with your eyes, and your eyes only keep your head perfectly still, okay?
Picture 6-1. Good. 43, I just drove past the shell now. It looks like it might be more of a 19-age, possibly speaking about a pump run. Stop driving, sure, not there. That's 4. Did you copy that? No, big one. 6-1, I'm 97. I'm familiar with the subject. Hello.
You work here for?
Good.
I'm out the Tampa Brewing. Signal 80, black trench coat, black white male, anthem. Installation to the call.
Okay. I'd like you to do a couple more exercises if you're willing to do them, Miss Brown.
Sure.
Just before we have them do them, because I'm going to have you be walking. Do you have
Okay.
any other shoes in your car that you could put on? Or no? Just because I know the high heels are going to make it kind of difficult. And I know it's a little bit wet, so I didn't want to have you do it.
I don't have any other shoes, but I don't think it should be difficult for me to do it in these heels.
Do you normally wear those?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, give me just a second. I'm going to grab something.
Okay.
Actually,
yeah,
just
sure.
wait right here. I'm going to see if it's dry up here. That's about as dry as we're going to get. Just give me just a second. I'm going to get something to make a line real quick, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Yeah, totally.
Is this your car?
Oh, yeah, that's my car.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Would you rather do this barefoot?
I'm not.
I'm going to have you walk heel to toe. That's why I'm asking. But I know that, yeah, well.
I don't feel not confident in my heels because I don't feel impaired.
Right. Okay. Well, I mean.
Like, genuinely, I don't.
It's not gonna stick.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. No, do your thing.
Duct tape? You think duct tape would be better?
Huh?
Duct tape? No.
Let's see if there's a line over here. Yeah, there's a line there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Right here. You see this blue line?
Yes, I
Okay. What I want you to do is stand on that side. Take your left foot, put it directly on the line. Take your right foot, put it directly in front of it, touching heel to toe. Matter of fact, could you take your shoes off for me?
Absolutely.
All right, I appreciate it. Whoop.
I got it.
You okay? Okay. Left foot on the line, right foot directly in front of it, touching heel to toe. And arms down by your side. And just stay in that position until I tell you to begin, okay?
Absolutely.
Whenever I tell you to begin, what I'm going to have you do is take a series of 9 steps down this blue line.
Okay.
Whenever you get to the end, I want you to turn exactly how I'm going to demonstrate, and then take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. By heel-to-toe, I want every step to touch heel to toe, looking down at your feet,
Okay.
and counting every step out loud while keeping your arms down by your side.
Okay.
All right, so just stay right there, and I'll demonstrate it. So you're in the start position right now, left leg in the back, right leg in front.
Okay.
You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps looking down, so it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth until you get to 9. Once you get to 9, take that back foot off of the line.
Okay.
Pivoting on your front foot, take a series of small steps, face back down the line, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth until you get to 9. Yes.
Deal.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, and I do not want you to stop once you start.
Okay.
Okay? You may begin whenever you are ready.
Okay. 1, 2, check. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay?
Watch that again. The walk and turn is a divided attention test. She fails to touch heel to toe, adds random words instead of counting clearly, and completely breaks form on the turn. To an officer, these aren't just nerves, they are 3 distinct clues of impairment.
Just one last exercise, okay? We'll come back over here for that one.
Okay.
We'll just wait right here on my light.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. What I want you to do is stand there with your feet together, arms down by your side. Okay. Whenever I tell you to begin, what I'm going to have you do is lift one foot of your choosing, either your left or your right, whichever one you are more comfortable.
Sure.
Approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the height of a soda can or a dollar bill, whichever
Okay.
way you want to look at it. Keep your arms down by your side. I want you to look down at your foot, and I want you to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003. Notice how both of my legs are straight?
Okay.
Okay? My leg's not bent, my toe's not pointed up, my toe's not pointed down. My toe's just hanging out,
Just a 3.
parallel to the ground. And I want you to go until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? It'll be approximately 30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any questions about that?
I do not.
Okay? Give me just a second. You may begin whenever you are ready.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006,
Make sure you're looking down at your foot.
1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 3000.
Okay, do me a favor. You can go ahead and put your foot down.
Yeah.
Okay, stand there with your feet together, arms down by your side for me. All right, what I want you to do is just place your hands behind your back, okay? I'm going to pull your jacket up just a little bit, okay?
Am I being arrested?
Give me just a second. I'll explain everything to you, okay? Do me a favor, turn your wrist. There you go. You have a really small wrist, so I'm going to try not to get it too tight on you, okay? Right now, you are being placed under arrest for DUI.
Okay.
Whenever we get down to central breath testing, I am going to request that you provide 2 breath samples.
Okay.
Would you be willing to provide those 2 breath samples?
Can I have a phone call before?
No, unfortunately, no. I'll explain everything to you and the consequences of either way.
Okay.
All right, we're just going to come right here so my partner can search you. She is a female.
Of course.
All right, is there anything in your vehicle you would like to go with you?
No.
Okay, if you
I mean, my phone, maybe.
yeah, I'll take your phone with you. Just turn to face the hood of my car, and my partner will search you in a second.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna sticker poke me?
I do not.
Yeah.
Everything bro.
No. Oh my god. Motherfucker. So your phone calls?
Once we get down to the central breath testing, we'll do that.
Oh my god.
Whether you provide a sample or not, and then once you get booked into booking, you'll go through the whole booking process, and then they will let you get to your phone to get phone numbers out in order to make your phone calls.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Fucking ridiculous. Yeah, you're good. I don't think there's anything in there. Actually, like a vape. No. Sir, can I have my vape one last time?
Unfortunately, not.
Ah!
Once the cuffs
It's
go
okay,
on,
like-
once the cuffs go on, it starts an observation period. So they
It's
cannot let you
fine.
take anything
Oh, yeah.
into your mouth. Okay.
I know.
Taking the shoes?
Sick.
Yes, absolutely.
Sick.
All right, we're gonna go have a seat in the car. Okay.
Alright, yeah, let's go. Let's just fucking do it. Oh, here we go. Alright.
I'll take care of it.
First time.
All right, you just said your cell phone,
I'm
ma'am?
sorry, yeah.
Do you have a wallet you would like to go with you? Is it like a small little clutch? That's the only thing they'll
I
take.
don't know if I can now this way. For some reason, oh, it might be yeah, it's like a backpack. It'll be in there.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
I'll be right back with you. All right, Miss Brown. Will they take this? Yes, ma'am. Well,
I'm sorry, this is so like, because my ex, like, he had a domestic violence, and I was like, yo, like, I don't want to even deal with you right now. And I was like, I'll drop you off right over. It's just like, it's funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. But like, he really just did his thing. Like, my car's going to the tow yard.
yes, ma'am. I'll let you know where it gets towed to.
Fuck, mine's like, I'll spend the night in jail or like what?
Yes, ma'am.
Fuck, really? Like all night?
The next 8 hours.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god. so sad. Yo, you really did a big one.
685.
Yeah.
I'll be 1035 on one adult female to CBT. Copy beginning.
So if I get checked in, can I get out
You're good.
for 8 hours?
127434. Repeating 127434. I'm sorry?
True.
How does it work? Can I get bailed out like quick?
It'll be 8 hours. It's an 8-hour hold. They call it the sobering up period. So, like I told you, I would explain everything to you.
Yeah, I just know my ex was laughing.
So, whenever we get down there, I'm going to ask you to provide 2 breath samples. You can say yes, you can say no. If you say no, your license will be suspended for 12 months for the first refusal, 18 months if you've had a prior refusal, as well as getting charged with an additional misdemeanor if you have already refused once. So if you have no refusals, your license is suspended for 12 months. If you have a refusal, your license is suspended for 18 months.
Would it be a work license?
You could, yes, you could, being as though you don't look, I haven't really looked into it yet, but you do look like you would qualify for business purposes only. And that refusal can be used against you in court. These are just things I legally have to tell you.
I know, I get it. This is just like, cheating.
No, ma'am.
So after the refusal?
Yes, ma'am. If you refuse, yes, it will, and it won't be right after. It's going to be probably 4 or 5 hours from now.
Oh, I know he's laughing. Ah!
Arrived at CBT, deactivating.
What's about to pee? Am I gonna get like an orange jumpsuit?
Yes.
Ah! Hold on. Fuck.
Did you want to put your shoes back on to walk in?
I mean, the heels? No.
Okay, just wait right here by the back of my car.
Okay.
I'll grab your shoes for you.
I'll wait here.
All right, we're just going to walk right over to the green door.
Okay. You don't think he'll fit me out? No. You don't give a fuck about me, right?
Nope. I'm just being honest.
I know. Ah! Motherfucker!
All right, if you could just wait right there on the black mat.
Yeah.
Okay. And like I said, would you be willing to provide that breath sample or no?
No.
Okay.
Cameron refused the breath test, guaranteeing a suspended license, while her passenger walked away scot-free. A tough lesson. Impaired loyalty can be just as dangerous as impaired driving. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life body cam lessons.